Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use our fully integrated environment Fidelity in short videos of a few minutes. This tutorial demonstrates how to prepare a mesh in Stitch for accurate boundary layer resolution by combining near-wall Voronoi layers alignment and Anisotropic Refinement. CharLES 2025.1 included the Align Layers command in Stitch, which enables surface alignment in the near-wall cell distribution. The syntax is as following: align layers, followed by the number of layers in which to bin and smooth near-wall Voronoi points, the keyword zone, and a comma-separated list of boundary zones on which to apply the alignment. Next, we can specify the near-wall resolution target using the keyword AR window. Two approaches are available: an aspect ratio based using the AR and lift options, where AR4 requests a 4:1 aspect ratio relative to the local surface area, and lift 0.5 offsets the seed points slightly away from the wall for robustness. Or an absolute spacing approach using DN, which enforces a fixed wall normal spacing. Both methods can be combined across different zones to meet local resolution requirements. After defining AR window, perform smoothing and apply anisotropy. The correct sequence is essential: align layers, AR window, and smooth, add AR points, and eventually write MLES mesh. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.